Assalamu alaikum, this is Dia Fatima and you watching GB True News HD. World Environment Day celebration at Girl Primary School Chumik. Children at Girls Primary School Skardu Chumik celebrated World Environment Day by making pledge that they will reduce the use of plastic made materials in their lives in order to keep the environment free from plastic pollution. Children express their creativity and love for nature by making drawings and painting of natural landscapes. The faculty at GPH Chumik believe that it is only through inculcation, love, and a sense of responsibilities in our new generation for environmental protection that we can fight the difficulties and challenges in front of us today. Our hope is our new generation. On this World Environment Day, let us all make a pledge that we will care for our environment and nature, which is faced with a lot of challenges in the current times. Thank you and see you next news. Keep watching.